In this video, we're going to see how to override a node or texture of one material with another using the Rayswitch node. One of the frequent problems with interior rendering is that a material can influence the surrounding environment with its color cast. In this section, for example, the floor affects the walls, ceiling, and objects within the scene in red. In fact, if we change the color of the floor, desaturating the texture we are using, we can return to having a neutral image. To do this, we are going to modify the structure of our floor material by inserting the Rayswitch node. Once the node has been acquired and loaded, once we have dragged the Rayswitch node into our material editor, we are going to move the node connected to the albedo to the camera ray pin of the Rayswitch node. Now let's connect the Rayswitch node to the albedo of our floor material. We can already see that the objects within the scene no longer have a red cast as the floor material is using a diffuse ray 1 value in the scene that is burning the resulting image. To adjust the value of diffuse ray, we can use an RGB spectrum texture node. The RGB spectrum texture map allows us to adjust the diffuse ray value of our material, but also, if necessary, create and adjust a different color dominance to our liking. We immediately notice that both the glass and metal teapots are no longer consistent with the scene. In fact, through the transparent theory, we do not see the red texture of the floor, and the same happens for the reflection of the metal tea. How to do it then? We then connect our texture of the red floor also to the pin of the reflection ray. Here the metal teapot returns to reflect the floor correctly. Now let's connect the texture of the floor to the pin of the refraction ray as well. Here the glass tiara also shows us the red floor in transparency. As we have seen, the Rayswitch node is very useful in interior renderings, or in any case, in all those situations where a photorealistic rather than photographic result